In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Woocommerce manually. You've come to the right place if you're looking to manage your online store settings or troubleshooting some pesky issues. By following these steps, you'll be able to reset Woocommerce effectively and get back to managing your business in no time. First, we're going to start by accessing wordpress.com. Head over to your browser and type in wordpress.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click it and enter your login credentials to access your account. If you're logging in for the first time or have forgotten your details, take a moment to reset your password to ensure a smooth login experience. After logging in successfully, you're now on the WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you can navigate through all your website features. From here, we need to get to the Woocommerce status area, which is crucial for the reset process. Head over to the Woocommerce status page by looking for something like Woocommerce within your dashboard's menu options and select it. Once you're on the Woocommerce page, you'll want to click on the Status tab. This area provides a comprehensive overview of your store's current standing, with plenty of useful diagnostics. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand. Click on the Tools tab within the Woocommerce status section. Tools are immensely useful for fixing various issues, and we'll now use them to reset key components. Inside the Tools section, find the option labeled Woocommerce Transients. Transients are temporary pieces of data stored by Woocommerce to improve performance, but sometimes they need refreshing. So go ahead and click on Woocommerce Transients. Right after that, select the Expired Transients option. This step ensures all outdated transients are removed from your store. Following this, the next crucial step is to clear customer sessions. Still within the Tools section, look for the Clear Customer Sessions option. By clicking this, you'll remove any ongoing customer sessions which might have been causing issues, helping to refresh your store's state. And that's it. You've successfully performed a manual reset of Woocommerce. These steps are essential to maintain and troubleshoot your Woocommerce store, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently for both you and your customers. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on managing your online business. Until next time, happy selling!